Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an owl reading a book. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the owl. Here's its head and it has long eyebrows. Here's its tiny ear. And this would be its eyes. It has a tiny beak. And now I'm drawing its book. It's using its wings as hand and holding the book nicely. Okay, the book is done. Now let's complete its eyes. It's wearing glasses. Here's its another wing. It's a fat owl. Let's draw its claw. Okay, let's do the coloring. I'm using cyan. Now I'm using yellow color. It's time to use orange. Brown. Now I'm using a light brown color. For the rest of its body, I'm using a pale orange color. Wow, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.